Capacitors, Unit 9, Physics, Class 11. Question 1. The capacitance of capacitors is not influenced by answer plate thickness. Question 2. What is the value of capacitance of a capacitor which has a voltage of 4V and has 16 C of charge? Answer 4F. Question 3. Capacitors are used in electric power supply system to answer provide voltage stability. Question 4. In a variable capacitor, capacitance can be varied by answer changing the plates. Question 5. The charging of a capacitor through a resistance follows answer exponential law. Question 6. When the total charge in a capacitor is doubled, the energy stored. Answer is quadrupled. Question 7. The capacitance the charged through a resistor. The time constant of the charging circuit is given by answer RC. Question 8. Capacitor blocks answer neither alternating nor direct current. Question 9. Which material is commonly used as a dielectric in a capacitor? Answer plastic. Question 10. What happens to the capacitance if the area of the plates increases? Answer increases. Question 11. In a parallel plate capacitor, if the distance between the plates increases, the capacitance will answer decreases. Question 12. Which type of capacitor is polarized? Answer electrolytic. Question 13. What is the role of the dielectric in a capacitor? Answer increase capacitance. Question 14. 2 microfarad capacitor is connected to a 10V source. What is the charge stored? Answer 20 microfarad. Question 15. Capacitors are used in AC circuit primarily for answer power factor correction. Question 16. What is the equivalent capacitance of two capacitors? C1 is equal to 4 microfarads, C2 is equal to 6 microfarads in series. Answer 2.4 microfarads. Question 17. What is the total capacitance when two capacitors are connected in parallel? Answer sum of individual capacitance. Question 18. Which of the following is not a type of capacitor? Answer inductor. Question 19. The SI unit of electric charge is? Answer coulomb. Question 20. The capacitance of a capacitor depends on? Answer dielectric constant. Question 21. Capacitor in a circuit acts as an open circuit to? Answer DC. Question 21. Which factor does not affect the capacitance of a capacitor? Answer material of conductor plates. Question 23. A capacitor is charged and then disconnected from the circuit. It will answer return charge for some time. Question 24. Capacitors in parallel have the same answer voltage across them. Question 25. Capacitors in series have the same answer charge stored. Question 26. The maximum voltage a capacitor can handle called its answer voltage rating. Question 27. The electric field inside a charged capacitor is? Answer uniform. Question 28. What happens when a dielectric material is inserted into a capacitor? Answer capacitance increase. Question 29. Which of the following is a particle application of capacitors? Answer signal coupling. Question 30. The breakdown of the dielectric in a capacitor result in answer permanent damage.